Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Amie Carter. Sheltering Arms Institute provides care for individuals who have sustained a variety of illnesses and injuries through their inpatient rehabilitation hospital and 8 outpatient centers across Central Virginia. Joining me today to talk about the Total Concussion Care Program is Paige Carroll. Welcome to Showcase.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so tell us just what is a concussion first?
A concussion is a mild traumatic brain injury that affects the brain's function that leads to shearing or stretching of the brain's cells or nerves, and these are temporary.
And what can cause a concussion?
Concussions are caused by direct or indirect blows to the head or body, and most typically we'll find that occurs from falls, hit to the head by an object, motor vehicle accidents, or sports-related injuries.
And then what are the signs and symptoms of a concussion?
The symptoms of a concussion can be pretty widespread, but include headache, dizziness, fatigue, nausea, fogginess, impaired memory, neck pain, sensitivity to light or noise, and oftentimes mood-related changes. Concussions shouldn't be taken lightly though, so if someone you know or personally feel that you've experienced a concussion, it's important to get an evaluation by a concussion expert. And then we can really help kind of work through things and things like that.
Yeah, and how long does it typically take for someone to recover from a concussion?
The severity and length of symptoms can vary person to person and depends on a few factors. So a patient's medical history, the severity of the injury, or the time that has passed since the injury occurred. But concussions are temporary, and most people will make a full recovery, and an average plan of care is 2 months long.
Okay, well that's definitely good to know that people can recover. And what can people expect during the physical rehab after a concussion?
At Sheltering Arms Institute, we have a multidisciplinary team, and we use advanced technology. We have robust clinical experience. We tailor the therapy to patients' individual goals, and we use evidence-based techniques. And we will perform a very thorough assessment on multiple systems. We do vision, balance, neck, cognition, and tolerance to physical activity.
Wow, and we're showing some video there of some of the techniques that you guys use, a lot of different things that you're doing with the patients there. What's the feedback that you hear from folks who come in, they're trying to recover from a concussion, and you're able to kind of walk them through this journey?
I think the most I hear is how validated they feel, that we understand what they're going through, and that they also feel very confident and happy that they know they're going to make a full recovery, and they're going to have the tools that will help them get there.
Wow. And what do you enjoy most about what you do?
I enjoy that we get to work with all age groups, and I just enjoy getting to tailor that therapy to what they enjoy to do and want to get back to doing.
Wow. And anything else you would like to share? I know, if someone gets a diagnosis of a concussion, fear may set in, they just may be unsure of a lot of things. What would you want someone to know?
I would want them to know that research shows that if you get an injury, a concussion injury, that if you get specialized care, the recovery will be faster. So get an assessment by an expert and come see us, because we can really help you make recovery and return to what you love to do.
That's awesome. And just a reminder, as you said, if you even think you may be dealing with the concussion, go see an expert, go see a doctor, go see someone who can really find out, what's going on. Right. Awesome. Thank you so much, Paige Carroll with Sheltering Arms Institute. We appreciate all of her information and for being with us today. So Sheltering Arms Institute's concussion program is offered at several locations around Central Virginia. We've got 2 locations there on your screen, 206 Twin Ridge Lane and 6627 West Broad Street. You can call them for more information, 804-764-1000. Again, 804-764-1000.